Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk to you about a tool in Instagram Stories that can help you recycle some of your older content, and also ensure that some of your new followers get a chance to see content that has been pushed further down your feed. The tool I'm talking about is the On This Day tool. What is the On This Day tool? This tool allows you to easily find older content that you posted on Instagram, and reshare it, like a throwback. As the name suggests, the tool only shows you content that you posted on that specific day. If you attempt to use this tool on the 16th of July 2021, it will only show you content that you posted to Instagram on the 16th of July in 2020, 2019, 2018, etc. Not only does this tool allow you to find and then reshare older content that you posted on that day, it also allows you to find people you followed on that specific day in previous years, and also who followed you. This is a great tool to use for when you have nothing else to share to your Instagram stories. I recommend checking for the icon on a daily basis. There's no point in letting your older, awesome content go to waste if you don't have to. As a side note, new followers may not have seen the throwback content you're going to share using the tool. Using On This Day allows you to alert newer followers to some of the content they may have missed, without them having to go hunting back through your Instagram feed to see it. How to find the On This Day tool in Instagram Stories. You will need to start by heading to Stories and using Create mode. At the bottom, there are a series of icons that you can scroll through. The one you want for the On This Day tool will look like this. You will only be able to find this icon if you have a throwback post available for that day. If you've never posted on that specific day, and you have no following activity, the icon won't be available. If you have more than one piece of content available to reshare for that day, or content as well as following activity, you can scroll through them and select the one you want to share. At that stage, it is down to you to customize it. You can change the background, add GIFs or stickers, throw an engagement-generating poll into the mix, whatever you like. I do recommend always adding at least one type of engagement generator to your Instagram story though, whether that's the slider sticker, the poll sticker, the question sticker, or any other sticker that encourages engagement. And that's that. You have successfully used the On This Day tool on Instagram Stories. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.